Most people, when they hear about insurance, they run for the hills. Insurance generally has a negative connotation of something bad could happen. So our goal today is to educate people on life insurance, disability, annuities, and long-term care insurance. No insurance is a one-size-fits-all. So what I would say is look at your own situation, identify your goals, your dreams, and work with a trusted advisor on how insurance fit into your overall plan. Make it a priority to review your insurance on a regular basis. We find that most people buy a policy and then they forget about it, put it in a drawer for many, many years. So take the time to review that on a regular basis, and do take the time to make sure the ownership and the beneficiaries are current. We find that with life changes, like a divorce or a death, if you don't change the beneficiary, that could be a problem. So the rule of thumb might give you some sort of general idea about how much or what type of insurance to buy, but it's not the be-all, end-all. Again, we hope that we never use it, but when you buy a new car, you would never drive around and not have insurance, right? Because if you get in an accident, who has to pay for it? So the same thing holds true for life, disability, and long-term care. And when you really look at insurance, the most important part of your life is your family and your ability to earn an income. Those are your most valuable assets. All the other things that we have in our life are really not important. If you're working, think about yourself as the money machine in your house. If you had a machine that printed money, wouldn't you insure it? And finally, long-term care. Most people think of it as, I don't want to be in a nursing home. I've had many clients say, I'm just going to get on a canoe in Lake Michigan and hope I never come back. That's my long-term care policy. Well, there's other ways to fund for it that is not such a great financial burden.